Welcome to Bendigo TAFE's Baking Information Session. We're delighted to have you with us as we explore the Certificate 3 in Baking. You'll gain insights into our industry-focused training program, state-of-the-art facilities, hands-on learning experiences, and the career pathways available within the baking and hospitality sectors. The Certificate 3 in Baking is a 12-month course designed to build your skills and knowledge for work as a baker, producing breads, cakes, pastries, and biscuits. The course includes 19 units and leads to a nationally recognized qualification. Before enrolling, you will need to complete a literacy and numeracy assessment. This helps determine your suitability for the course and identify any learning support needs. Basic computer literacy is advantageous to participate in online classes, use video conferencing, and submit assessments through digital learning platforms used throughout the course. To achieve the Certificate 3 in Baking, you must complete 19 units, 15 core units, and 4 elective units. These units cover a comprehensive range of baking skills, industry knowledge, and practical competencies required for employment in commercial bakery environments. During the course, you will use key commercial baking equipment, including dough mixers, steam convection ovens, divider rounders, proofing chambers, and bread slicers. You will also develop practical skills in essential processes such as mixing, fermentation, shaping, baking, cooling, and packaging. You will be assessed to show that you have achieved the skills and knowledge required by the course. Assessment may include written, oral, or practical methods, and you will know in advance about the type of assessment and how it will operate. Opportunities for reassessment and appeal are also provided. Typically, each unit includes 2 assessment tasks. The first involves a quiz or short answer questions to confirm your knowledge. The second requires observation of practical skills to ensure you can apply techniques effectively in a commercial baking context. Learn from experienced baking professionals. Many trainers are actively working in the industry. With small class sizes of 10 to 15 students, you will receive personalized support, hands-on guidance, and benefit from an interactive, collaborative learning environment. Students learn through a blended learning model combining online study video conferencing classes, tutorials, and on-campus practical sessions. Theory is delivered online, while practical classes are completed on campus to support flexible, structured learning. To complete theory assessments, students must attend online video conference classes and complete required online reading activities. For practical assessments, students must attend scheduled campus practical sessions to safely and effectively demonstrate their skills in an appropriate training environment. On completion of your baking certificate, you may gain employment as a baker, pastry chef, pastry cook, pie maker, cake decorator, bakery shift leader, or similar role. Graduates may also choose to continue studies at TAFE or university to build skills professionally. Bendigo TAFE is an established provider with a strong reputation for practical, industry-relevant training. Courses are developed with industry input to build real-world skills employers value. You'll access modern training facilities, hands-on learning environments, and pathways from certificate to diploma and university study. Supportive teachers and student services are here to help you succeed. If you have any questions about the course or application process, our admissions team is here to help. Please call 13 TAFE, that's 1382-33, for assistance with enrollment, course delivery, timetables, fees, and support services. We are committed to providing prompt and professional support throughout your inquiry and application process.